When we think about our childhood, everyone has many different kind of experiences. Some of them are very precious, while others may be ordinary. But most people have wonderful memories from their childhood. Many people enjoyed their childhood around their homes and with their friends. The old days and current situation are very different. Nowadays, everything has changed compared to the past. When I was a child, I used to play with my friends around my house. I had many friends during my childhood, and growing up with them was an amazing experience for me. We would play under the mango tree, and there was also a big cookie factory nearby. So I had many beautiful experiences in my childhood. Now the situation has changed. These days many children play different kind of games, mostly on mobile phones. It is not exactly a problem. The situation and lifestyle are changing everywhere, not only our area. When I think about my childhood, I also remember many other experiences. My friends and I used to bath in the pond together. We would sitting we would sing songs, and during that time we also tried to learn swimming. My neighbor's brothers taught me how to swim. Those were very really nice experiences. We would collect mangoes with my friends and spend time happily together. I have many memories like that from my childhood. But now everything has changed, including situation and lifestyle. In the current situation, everything has changed. When I think about my childhood, there were many beautiful experiences in my life. We used to visit our friend's house during holidays, especially on Saturdays and Sundays. We would sit together and read children's magazine like Balarama, Chandamama, like the now everything has changed. At that time we also played many different kind of games. We used to run around and enjoy many outdoor games together. We would collect kashitumba flowers and many other things with our friends. Everything felt precious. Even during the rainy season, we would bath in the rain with our friends. And that was an amazing experiences for me. Whenever I, whenever I recall those memories, I feel little sad because those days will never come back. In childhood, if we think about friendship, what is friendship? It is a question everyone think about. Everyone has their own friendship in life. How do we create friendship? Often we cannot give an exact answer. Some friendship begin in childhood, especially with children from our neighborhood or school. As we grow up, those friendships also grow with us. Overall, friendship can lead us toward a happier and more successful life because true friends support us in difficult situations. When we feel sad, stressed, or worried about something, our minds often turn to our real friends. We also choose our friends when we travel, enjoy ourselves, or spend time together doing different activities. In many situations, friendship become an important part of our life. Overall, friendship are among the best relationship we can have in life. Friends are important to us in many situations. In life, we face many health issues and financial problems. During those times, we often contact our friends. Friends who are sincere and truly understand us will support and help us. However, some friendship can also lead to problems. Overall, friendship is one of strongest relationship in our life. Friendship is one of the most valuable things in life. A real friend is someone who stays with you in good times and bad times. They listen without judging, support your dreams, and tell you the truth even when it is hard to hear. Good friendships don't happen overnight, they take time, trust, and effort from both people. In today's busy world where everyone is on their phones, real friendship feels even more rare and precious. That's why we should value the friends who make us laugh, wipe our tears, and help us grow.